video, I'm going to tell you how I know that this snatches your waist. And I'm going to guarantee that it's not the story you're going to think it is. For 11 years, my left eye didn't move. I went to tons and tons of doctors and nobody could figure out what was wrong with me. I went to a neuro-ophthalmologist and for some strange reason, he decided to test me for lupus. He said, if I can find out the reason your eye's not moving, I can help you. He ran 32 different tests on me and I came back positive that I had lupus, which damaged my ocular nerve, causing my left eye not to move properly. About a half a cup of water in the microwave for 25 seconds. 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice into your warm water. So basically at that point, he told me there really wasn't much else that he could do for me. In a desperate attempt to try to alleviate some of my debilitating symptoms, I tried to look up what I could do on my own. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. So I looked up some recipes to reduce inflammation, increase circulation, etc., etc. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. So after about 4 days of making this drink and drinking it, my left eye actually started to move pretty decently again for the first time in 11 years. It was absolutely mind-blowing, but what was even more mind-blowing was all of a sudden, that big tire that I had around my waist that I thought came from having 3 kids started to vanish. A half tablespoon organic maple syrup. I would drink this drink in the morning on an empty stomach. I wouldn't get hungry till maybe 2 or 3 p.m. The cayenne pepper was reducing my appetite. The turmeric was taking down my inflammation. The apple cider vinegar was giving me better gut health.